Hello friends, I am your friend Manoj from Paras Adenim. Today we will talk about unboxing rose plants after buying them online. In today's video we will talk about the package and review of the plants, which we have bought from Pushpabitan Nursery, Kolkata. Before starting the video, you are requested that if you liked our video then please subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to also that the notifications of our other upcoming videos can reach you first and also the video. Like and comment and tell us how you liked our video. So let's start unboxing rose plants and review of plants. Every plant has a picture of its flower.
Hill Smoke and Production.
Galankabe musayi rono ntegera nafayo nayenga mama wali kotamutegera kalisinga nali manyo kuyimba nali kuyimbida kayimba kasinga neyo jole nali badde kunyweza
I always love you, I always protect you. I'll be the one to make you smile, I'll be the one to make you high, I'll be the one to make you fly. All days of my life I'll always love you. Until the end of time, me and you gonna chill together forever. I love you from the depth of my heart. You're special and most for me. You put light into my darkness. You set my soul light, baby. There's nothing in this world that can separate us, me and you. We gonna live forever. All days of my life I always love you, I always protect you. I'll be the one to make you smile, I'll be the one to make you high, I'll be the one to make you fly.